Dolls, I am back with another video for you today. This video is for all the entrepreneurs out there or people that are wanting to start their own business and don't know where to start with branding, okay? That is very, very important when you are trying to run that check up, honey. So before we get into the 5 facts that you need to know, please hit the subscribe button today if you're not already following me, honey. This is very, very important, okay? So, I wrote down 5 important branding things that you need to know, and it's going to take you as far as you decide to go. Honey, you can't just say, I want to be a boutique owner today and just not market yourself. You have to push yourself. Don't sit around waiting on other people to get you to where you want to be. You need to brand. First, reach out to YouTubers that are out there that already have a brand, and don't just reach out to anyone that has a YouTube channel. So if you're selling dresses, honey, don't go to someone that sells freaking, I don't know, like fishing rods. I mean, that doesn't make any sense. So know your audience. That's another key. So when you're searching for a YouTuber that you want to ship your items to and help brand your business, you need to do your research. So study the people that are on YouTube and make sure that that person is the best fit for your brand, okay? So write some emails out to the people that you are interested in rocking your brand. Be polite, of course, and be genuine. Number 2, create your personal email, okay? You have got to understand that when you have a business, you don't want Gmail attached to your business. Seriously. Let's be professional. So, for example, I have info@lovedivinecollection.com. So don't be like pookie@gmail.com. It doesn't make any sense. Okay. You have got to be professional with your brand. You have to be, I don't know, into it, of course. So don't just half do everything. You have got to go all the way 100% or 110%. So that is very important information, you guys. It's all about presentation at the end of the day. Create ads. That's another very, very important thing as well. You can have an Instagram, you can have a Facebook, or whatever social media that you are on. I mean, let's be honest, we're in a day and age, you need to be on all platforms. Create an ad with Facebook and Instagram combined together. Run your ads to your target audience. Again, know your audience. You have to break it down in that way so you can put your product in front of those that are shopping for what you are offering. So you have to invest into your business. So a lot of people do say, oh my God, like nobody wants to shop with me. You have got to get the people to want to shop with you first. They have to take you serious. Anyone can have a storefront. Anyone can sell a product, but you have to brand it the right way. Marketing is key at all times, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about branding and so forth, let me know. Leave a comment below or email me. Thanks for watching.